Hello everyone. Research Department of English is offering the paper entitled Drama for Effective Communication for semester 3. Objective of this paper is to introduce the genre and use of language in various life situations. This is the introduction of the syllabus. I am Dr. R. Manimuri, Assistant Professor of English, ADM College for Women, Nagapattinam. Text prescribed for this paper, English for Excellence, One Act Plays, edited by Professor Lalita Nadarajan and Dr. Sasikala Nadesan. Unitized syllabus, Unit 1, The Sheriff's Kitchen, written by Ronald Go. Unit 2, Mother's Day, written by J.B. Priestley. Unit 3, The End of the Beginning, written by Sian O'Casey. Unit 4, Old Man River, written by Dorothy Deeming. And Unit 5, The Bridge was written by K. Xavier Amalraj. And in Unit 5, there is a spoken English component also. Stress shift to differentiate between noun and verb, statement and questions. Let me introduce drama. The term drama comes from a Greek word meaning action. Drama is a mode of fictional representation through dialogue and performance. Drama is a type of literature telling a story. It contains conflict of characters which is intended to be performed to the audience on the stage. Types of drama. There are four main forms of drama. They are comedy, tragedy, tragic comedy, and melodrama. All these types have the common characteristics of drama genre. They are plot, characters, conflict, music, and dialogue. One act plays. Let me tell you about one act plays. A one act play is a play where all the action happens in one act with no breaks. That is, the scene is continuous and the setting most likely will not change. A drama, on the other hand, is only within the parameters of genre, where by definition the play is dramatic. Types of one act play. According to its theme, the one act play can be divided into different types as realistic plays, problem plays, fantasize, costume plays, satire, romance, etc. In short, the playwright has a large and varied choice of subjects which can be discussed equally well in the one act play. Purpose of drama and one act play. Like all fiction, the primary purpose of drama is to entertain, evoke feelings, and to teach audience a lesson about life. The one act play is to the full length play what the short story is to the novel. Chief characteristics of one act play. One act play is a play that has only one act but may consist of one or more scenes. One act plays are usually written in a concise manner. It deals with a single dominant situation and aims at producing a single effect. It deals with only one theme developed through one situation to one climax in order to produce the maximum of effect. It treats the problems of everyday life as marriage, punishment for crimes, labor conditions, divorce, etc. Four stages of one act play. The one act play, like the larger drama, should have a beginning, a middle, and an end. The exposition is usually brief, serves as an introduction to the play. The conflict. It is through the conflict that the action of the drama develops. It is the very backbone of the one act play. The climax. Climax is the turning point of the drama. It is an important part of the one act play and constitutes its most of supreme interest. The denouncement. The denouncement is very brief and often overlaps with climax. Action begins right at the start of the play. There are no breaks in the action, that is, it is continuous since it's a short play, no intervals at all. Everything superfluous is to be strictly avoided as the play is short and the action takes place within a short period of time. It introduces elaborate stage directions to minimize the time taken by the action itself. The creation of mood or atmosphere is indispensable to its success. Dramatic units of one act play. There are three dramatic units which are observed in the one act play. The units are the unity of time, unity of place, and the unity of action. It aims at simplicity of plot, concentration of action, and unity of impression. It does not rely on spectacular effects and common dramatic tricks of old. The characters in a one act play are limited in number. Generally, there are not more than two or three principal characters. There is no full development of character. All the different aspects of a character are not presented. The attention is focused on only one or two salient aspects of character, and they are brought out by placing the characters in different situations and circumstances. The author implies the past and intimates the future of a character by presenting a crucial moment in the life of that character. There is an influence of realism. The characters in the modern one act play are ordinary men and women. It depicts characters that seems to be real and related to everyday life. It must present a question for which the audience eagerly awaits the answer. Its language is simple and can be followed without any strain. All superfluity is to be avoided in a dialogue. The dialogue must be purposeful. The best dialogue is that which does several things at one time. Every word is to be carefully chosen and sentences must be compact and condensed. Effort should be made to say whatever is to be said in the least possible words. Thus, the language of the dialogue should be simple, brief, and easy to understand. Long speeches and arguments and long sentences would be out of place and would lessen the charm and interest of the play. Objective of one act plays. It aims to express the need for social change, communicating a universal theme, recreating and interpreting information, ideas, and emotions, entertaining, which diverts our attention from our everyday lives. This paper is unitized syllabus. Unit 1, The Sheriff Kitchen, written by Ronald Go, is about the sheriff's kitchen. Is an interesting play about Robin Hood, a benevolent outlaw who robbed the rich and helped the poor. Unit 2, Mother's Day, written by J.B. Priestley, is a humorous play, portrays the status of a mother in the family. The author brings out the flight of the mother very realistically in the play. Unit 3, The End of the Beginning, written by Ciano Casey, is about a couple argue about whether men's or women's work is more difficult and swap places. It's a comic tale of role reversal which shows who the real boss is. Unit 4, Old Man River, written by Dorothy Deeming. The play focuses on the importance of acting during a crisis and first aid awareness. Unit 5, The Bridge, written by Xavier Amalraj, is about a social responsibility is an essential framework and suggests that an individual has an obligation to act for the benefit of society at large. This is the stage appearance. All the world's a stage and all the men and women mere players, told by Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, the great dramatist. Thank you. Thank you for listening this lecture.